In this video, you'll see what your students experience when you assign tasks through Xeropan Classroom. This will help you anticipate their journey and understand how the student app keeps them engaged and on track. When you assign a lesson or a unit, students receive a push notification on their device, even if the app is closed. When they open Xeropan, they also see a prominent in-app alert. Your teacher assigned a new task. Deadline? This reminder stays visible until the student begins the assignment, ensuring it's not overlooked. Whenever a student is part of a class, a new menu appears at the bottom of their screen called My Classes. They use Learn for self-paced independent study. They use My Classes for teacher-assigned tasks. So the moment you assign something, this becomes one of the most important tabs in their app. Students tap My Classes and see all classes they belong to. Many students may be part of multiple groups, for example, English, German, or different year groups. Your school uploads the class list for you, so students are automatically placed into their correct groups. Teachers are linked to the right classes, and you don't need to set anything up manually. Inside a class, students see two simple sections: open assignments, tasks with active deadlines; closed assignments, tasks already completed or past their due date. Each assignment shows the deadline, the unit, and the specific lesson type. When students open an assignment, they complete the exercises just as they would in autonomous mode. Vocabulary tasks, pronunciation practice, video lessons, grammar, or AI speaking. At the end, they immediately see their result, stars and XP. And the moment they finish, you see their result instantly in Xeropan Classroom. No syncing, no delays. So here's what your students experience when you assign work. They receive clear notifications inside and outside the app. The My Classes menu becomes their central hub for homework. Assignments are organised into open and closed sections. Everything is automatically connected to the correct classes and teachers. And you see results in real time the moment a student finishes. This makes blended learning smooth and reliable for both you and your students. Now open Xeropan Classroom and assign one short lesson to your group. Then switch to a student view or ask a student to show you their screen to see exactly how My Classes displays your assignment.